Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Sony Linkbuds as not charging. If you want to fix the issue, then you will need to try a reset for your Linkbuds as earbuds. First, put one of the Linkbuds as into the charging case. Note, leave charging case lid open. Then, press and hold the charging case reset button for approximately 15 seconds until the indicator light slowly flashes orange for about 5 seconds. Note, when the indicator light stops blinking, the earbud begin the reset procedure. When the reset is complete, the indicator light is lit orange or green for about 3 seconds to show the remaining earbud battery charge and then turn off. Here you will see in the diagram. This is the reset button in your charging case. Then in the third, when the indicator light turn off, release the reset button. Then in the last, remove the earbuds from the charging case and start the procedure again from beginning with the other earbuds. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.